Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. Cue the music.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
So I'm not even going to lie today. I'm super tired. I did my last Christmas shopping today. I think it's my last. I'm not really sure, but I did majority of that today. My back is killing me. My back hurts so bad. I'm exhausted. So I thought today's video could be an ugly sweater video. I've never made one of these before, so I thought it would be fun for me to make an ugly sweater video. I didn't go to the store to purchase anything prior to this video. I'm just using everything that I have here. Because if you were ever to be called upon to go to an ugly sweater party, I got you. Even though I'm mad that I'm using one of my sweaters that I actually do really like. But let's get right into the video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will catch you guys when I catch you. So let's get into the video.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. I can tell you what Christmas is all about. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
This is personally what I came up with this just now. I didn't really pull inspiration off anything. This is what it looks like. I personally think it turned out great. I think I did a phenomenal job. Thank you for asking. I think I will give myself an A. What would you guys grade this ugly sweater? And let me know down below, would you actually wear this sweater? Make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna go. I'm super tired. Bye guys.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow.